How to log in to Amazon Chase credit card online. Now, in order to log into Amazon Chase credit card, you just simply need to open any of your browser in your phone. Then after that, search for Amazon Chase credit card. After that, this first link from creditcards.chase.com will appear. You can either open this site or you can also open the option of Chase credit cards from the amazon.com. You can just simply open any of those options, and after that a new interface of the specific website will appear. Now, after coming to the website, you will see this page where you just simply need to tap into this button of sign in from the top right corner. After tapping into the sign in, you will be in another website where you can easily sign into your Chase Bank credit card account very easily. First of all, you have to simply enter your username, and secondly, you need to enter your password. Then you can check this box if you want to save the login details in your browser, then tap to sign in button. This way you can very easily log into your Amazon Chase credit card account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.